You've probably heard about AI. It's in the news, in our apps, and shaping the world around us. But have you ever wondered, how can I actually be part of it? That's exactly where AI Firelabs CIC comes in. We're building a space where anyone, whether you're a student, an artist, a teacher, or just curious, can explore AI in real, human ways. And getting involved is easier than you might think. Start by joining one of our community workshops. They're free, fun, and hands-on. You'll experiment with creative tools, play with chatbots, make digital art, and start to see what AI can really do and what it means for you. Can't make it in person? No problem. Head over to our YouTube learning page, where we share quick guides, creative challenges, and behind-the-scenes looks at how AI fits into everyday life. If you're part of a local group, school, or small business, you can partner with us. We collaborate on community projects, teach digital skills, and explore how AI can be used ethically and creatively in your work. And the easiest step? Just stay connected. Follow AI Firelabs on social media, join our newsletter, and be part of a growing movement that's shaping technology from the ground up. At AI Firelabs CIC, we're not just learning about AI, we're learning with it together. So if you're ready to explore, experiment, and imagine what's next, get involved today. Because the future of AI isn't built by machines, it's built by people like you.